The cost of the transformers with the entire works cost us about $4 million in investment. That is the purchase of the asset, the installation and all of the shutdowns, including the cost of the water cutting that we've had to factor in as part of the cost of the entire project. So it cost us close to about $4 million.
The National Infrastructure Investment Plan has a asset renewal sort of estimates for the next 5 years. We need a minimum of about $0.8 billion over 5 years to be able to get the assets in the condition that they are able to provide the service that they can. Rough rule of thumb, a $2 billion asset base requires $200 million a year kind of investment. So if you look at the National Infrastructure Investment Plan alone, there's about $0.8 billion over 5 years needed to ensure that our existing assets continue to do what they are doing. And that's not catering for adding to climate resilience or augmenting, just existing assets continue to do what they're doing.